Imagine a customer from France, Germany, or Spain visiting your website and instantly seeing it in their own language. That's exactly Odoo 19 makes possible with its built-in website translation feature. In today's video, I will show you how to translate your Odoo website into multiple languages using AI, helping you to reach customers across a globe without creating a separate website. Let's get started. Odoo 19 allows you to build a multilingual website from a single database. Visitor can browse your website in their preferred languages using the language selector while you manage all content from one place. This is perfect for business that want to expand internationally and improve customer experience and increase global sales. Odoo support installing multiple languages, provide AI-assisted page translation, and include multilingual SEO support. First, open the website module, go to configuration and then settings, click install new language button, and here select the language you want to offer on your website. For example, French, Romanian, German, Spanish, etc. We can simply search language. Here also Spanish. Here we need to select a website which we want to translate. Click on save your setting. Once languages are installed and assigned to your website, Odoo automatically enable language selector for your visitors. Now open your website and from the language selector, select the language which you want to translate. And next click edit button, translate. Odoo enter a translation mode where you will notice a translated content is highlighted in green color and untranslated content is highlighted in yellow color. To automatically translate the page, simply click language button here near to translate to option, and in within a few seconds Odoo uses AI and to translate website content. You can review a translated sentence and make manual changes if needed, and then click save button. Here we can see entire website content is translated in Japanese language. Now let's see the result when visitor open your website. Here we visit as end user. We log in as a end user. Website. Okay. Odoo display a translated version of a same page while keeping a website content is consistent. Even SEO elements like image description, title and keyword can be translated and helping your website to perform better in international search results. And that's how easy to create a multilingual website in Odoo 19 with AI powered translation, support for multiple languages, built-in language selector and multiple SEO. Odoo help you to connect with customer around the world using a single website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel for more Odoo demonstration. Thank you for the watching.